Welcome to Sky's Tribe, where I keep my friends and family updated on all things crypto and investing. So today I'm going to go over the next token that could make you a millionaire during the next bull cycle. This token is called tfuel. A little bit about tfuel is that it's a utility token from the Theta network. Now, the Theta network is all about video streaming. And the reason I think it's going to survive this incoming recession, depression, whatever you want to call it, is that it has major backers. Google, YouTube, Microsoft, big top names that are invested. And I mean, the co-founder of YouTube is in love with it. And here you are watching YouTube. We all know video streaming is not going anywhere. The growth is going to be crazy in the future. What Theta is trying to do is fix problems with the bandwidth of video streaming services. They already have a partner in Hollywood. Now, Theta is the main token, but what runs it, tfuel. And as you can see, it hasn't been out very long, but just in this last cycle, you can see from this chart that the impulse wave is pretty drastic. What we're gonna do is the same thing we did with XRP. We're gonna go and measure from this bottom to this top for the data that we need, the historical data that we're going to apply to the future. So I'm going to measure from the bottom here to the top here. And then we're going to move this, assuming that we already hit the bottom. We'll say the bottom was 3 cents. As you can see, what I did was I took a copy of the last bull cycle's impulsive wave to the top of its all-time high. And now I'm applying it to the future for the next bull cycle. Based off of historical data, tfuel could possibly go up to $21.67. So now we're going to have 1 million. This is to determine how do we get $1 million out of this investment. 1 million divided by 21.67. For tfuel tokens, the amount of coins that you would need to buy to have $1 million for next bull cycle, 46,100. We're going to do two scenarios here because right now we already saw that last month it dipped down to 3 cents, even though right now it's up to 6 cents because we're having this little rally. But let's just say that one scenario, it goes back down to 3 cents when Bitcoin bottomed. To multiply this 46,000 coins times that bottom number that it hit, 0.3, this would be the price that we would buy in at. You would have to invest, if it went back down to 3 cents, $1,384 to be a millionaire next bull cycle. But I want to go and be a little risque because I got to risk it for the biscuit. And I want to say, because we have not bottomed out, that we could go lower than 3 cents. What I'm going to do is, let's go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Divided by 21.67 equals times 1 cent. 0.01 equals. Bruh. With less than $500, you could buy your 46,146 tokens to be a millionaire during the next bull cycle. So you would have to put in a limit order for when it drops to 1 cent for the amount of tokens it would require. I'm gonna show you how I do it because USA Binance is where I can find tfuel. I mean, unless you use like Gate.io or KuCoin. There's a few others. I like Binance US because I've been using them forever. I'm gonna do a limit and I'm gonna put the price at 1 cent. And the amount I need was 46,150. Look at that. That's how much it would cost me. But I'm greedy and I want more. I want 100,000. 100,000 Theta fuel tokens for $1 million during the next bull cycle, we would need 46,150 tokens. But if I want to double my 1 million to 2 million, I time this by 2. And this will give me how many tokens I would need for 2 million, which would be 92,300. So I would get a little over 2 mil if it went up to 2167. I think $1,000 investment for 2 million, it's totally worth it. Tfuel, this is how much you would need. This is the token that I am going after myself because I think it's a good project and it has good chances of surviving the financial downturn of these markets. As always, do your own research. Go to CoinMarketCap, and up here you would just have to search for tfuel and click on it, and it takes you to this page. It has the white paper, its website, all the information that you would need to get you started researching. Even has charts, and then it tells you a little bit about the token, the founders. It tells you a little bit about, not all of them do this, and this is how you can figure out if these are, legit or scams. So I hope that you liked this video and that I provided some good content for you guys. Let me know what you think, or if you have any other tokens that you want me to look at, and I will get back to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.